In this video, we're going to discuss about how to sort data in a table. Um, for the sake of this example, I have created a table called customers. So if you execute this table, I already entered some test data in here, which is first name, last name, and the gender ID. If you want to know what is gender ID is all about, I highly recommend to watch my previous videos in the playlist, so you'll know what is how I created the gender table and what is the significance of the gender ID, right? Then you'll be able to correlate why I added that gender ID into the customer table, right? Um, Coming back to the order by example, so select star from the customers will display the content of all the data within the customer table. And then when you want to sort on a specific column or set of columns, you will place this order by clause at the very end of the select statement, and then followed by the column of your choice that you want to sort on. By default, when you do not specify any sort type, by default it's going to sort on ascending order. So if I execute this, it's going to sort on ascending order. And also you can explicitly specify ascending order sort type by adding ASC, which means ascending order, to the very end of your order by clause. And then you execute this again, it remains the same because it's still ascending order. And now if you want to execute the same sort order in descending order, right? So you, instead of ascending, you specify descending keyword here, and rest of all remains the same. And when executed, it automatically sorts the data in descending order, right? Usually, now let me give you some insight into what is the best practice. Usually sorting on small tables is pretty fast, but when you apply sorting on large tables like billions of data, or hundreds of millions of data, usually it's an intense database activity. So hence, in most cases, when you insert the data into the table itself, make sure that you follow the certain kind of a sort order and have indexes properly created on these columns that you're going to sort by more often. So that way, the retrieval and the sorting will be much more faster, right? So basically, like, the first statement will be the select statement is the first one which will execute, and then followed by the order by statement, right? So basically it's going to retrieve all the data, and then it's going to implement the order by clause, which is intense activity. So, but if you know that a sorting will be most likely will be queried upon on a specific table, then you might as well load it in that sort order. So that way your queries are, will be much more faster comparatively.